Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AMRN. We will take a look at the daily time frame. Done this analysis several times in the past, but I wanted to jump out here to the daily time frame. If you have watched past videos, I've used the 30-minute time frame quite a bit, but now I'm on the more so traditional time frame where each one of these candles does indeed represent an entire day. And I want to do that because from the technical perspective, the price is now sitting around some very, very key levels. And before I go any further, I don't want any of this to come across like it's a great discovery on my part or nobody else has noticed this or anything like that. I assure you, people that use charts, understand charts, have taken notice of the levels I'm going to talk about. And I bring all that up because when a lot of people are watching the same levels and wondering the same things, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. It can produce some pretty interesting price dynamics, and that is exactly what's occurring with these two lines right here. The purple line here on my chart denotes the 50-day moving average. The pink line here denotes the 200-day moving average. And even if you have a surface deep understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of the 50-day and the 200-day moving averages, and you know that when the price is up above them, assuming of course you're bullish, you want to see the price stay above it because that implies that the overall trend is still in the bullish perspective. And on that note, so far so good. The price did actually temporarily drop below the purple line today, but that didn't last very long and the price was able to work its way back upwards. But more so from the overarching point of view, the price does still have some space up above that pink line there, again on my chart denoting the 200-day moving average. So 50-day moving average right now valued right around the $19 mark, and then the 200-day moving average valued right around $18.40 are going to be those two key levels going forward. Now in the event this downwards momentum continues and the price pushes down further, next key level of support, if that 200-day moving average doesn't hold, is going to be down there right around 1785. Now, there is no such thing as a guarantee in the market, but it also would not be very shocking at all that if the price were to break down below the 200-day moving average, then odds are it's probably headed down to 1785, if not even further down to right around the 1750-ish mark, give or take a little bit. However, don't want to get too far ahead of myself because as of right now, to be fair, the bulls are doing a good job of maintaining above these moving averages. Now, in the event the price turns around, let's talk about a couple key areas of resistance. Main level of resistance going forward right now is going to be right up here at, let's see, what is that? Basically the $20 mark. If you go back through the history of things now, you can see this $20 mark has quite a bit of a track record of knocking down the price. Yeah, I get it, not every single time hit it directly, but within the zone of $20, give or take 10 cents, you can see quite a bit of a track record there. So that's certainly public enemy number one with any sort of attempted bounce back to the upside. So overall, yeah, bearish day, but from a big picture point of view, the price is still up above these long-term moving averages. So let's see if the bulls can stay up above them or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.